Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making for you all one of my favorite things to make, and that's for spinach and crab stuffed shells. This is more of a white sauce based stuffed shells, and I know you all are gonna love it. And of course, if you wanted to use marinara as the base for this recipe, you can. So I'll walk you through everything as we move along. So let's get this recipe started with our ricotta. You're going to empty that into a big bowl, and I'm going to season it with this garlic and herb seasoning, or you can use any type of seasoning you have on hand. In goes some frozen spinach that you want to squeeze the water out of, and some lump crab meat, or you can even use lobster meat if you wanted to. You want to use it raw because it will cook and you don't want that meat to toughen. So once it's mixed well, you want to taste, and you can adjust your salt at this time. And then to your pre-boiled shells, you want to boil it shy of al dente, so it must still be a little firm. You're going to stuff those shells and place it into a baking dish. Now here's where you would put a layer of marinara sauce if you wanted, but I personally don't like it. So once you finish doing that, we're going to melt some garlic herb butter, and I got this from Kerrygold. In goes lots of pimento peppers diced, and we're just going to allow that to sweat and get tender. We're gonna bring out the flavor in the pimento peppers. Now we're gonna go in with our flour, and we're going to cook this out for about a minute to 2 on low heat. Don't let the flour burn, let it take its time and cook. Now add in whole milk, or if you wanted to use evaporated milk, you can. Stir that in, and you can also taste here and adjust your salt if you want. But remember, when you add cheese, cheese does contain salt. So mix in your cheese and then taste the cheese sauce once it's finished. Once it's fully incorporated, the next step will be to pour this out onto the shells. So just pour it over those stuffed shells, and then these can go in your oven to bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit until they're brown and bubbly. It should take anywhere between 40-45 minutes, and they cook up pretty quickly. So I'm using my big green egg to bake this off in, but as I said, you can use your oven. And if you have a Traeger, you can also make this on your Traeger. It's going to add so much more smokiness to the dish. And the peppers recipe, guys, it's already on my channel, and I'll link it down for you all so it's easy to find. It's a veggie stuffed peppers. It's stuffed with potatoes. And once it's done, you just simply enjoy. Now I'm serving mine with fried rice, a side of barbecue chicken, macaroni pie, and the stuffed peppers. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick and simple, delicious stuffed shells recipe. Make it, comment down below, let me know what you think. If you have any requests for future episodes, leave it in the comment section, and I'll be sure to add it to my list. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.